Riky Rick on violence. I am tired of our people dying because of gun violence. As the country watches the violence unfold during protests in Westbury, Johannesburg, musician Riky Rick has called for an end to violence. Riky, who recently lost his friend, took to Instagram to speak about the death and the scourge of violence in society. He said he was gatball of violence taking those close to him. I'm tired of all our people dying from all this f-king violence. I'm tired of my n*getters getting shot. I'm tired of us shooting each other. I'm just really tired. I am tired. He said that it was a problem around the world that needed to be addressed. At some stage it needs to stop. I don't know when, but at some stage it needs to stop. That's everywhere, around the world, man. Riky paid tribute to his friend and asked for those who knew him to support his family and friends. He ended his address by explaining that the problem would only be solved when we stop looking for people to blame and realize we are killing ourselves. The thing is, we can blame it on everybody. Blame it on this person. Blame it on that person. We can blame it on this environment, but it's really us, man. It is really us who are killing each other, brother. Riky's comments come as Police Minister Biky Seal was set to visit Westbury on Tuesday to address residents and try to restore calm to the area. According to Times Live, unrest erupted in the area last week after a 45-year-old woman was shot and killed during a shootout between three men. A 10-year-old girl was wounded in the incident. Residents vowed to shut down the area to mourn her death and called on government to deploy the army to clean up the drug-ridden area.